Let's go. Hey, man, I got this banger for you. Hey, if you know who he is, his name is Cooper Flagg. Hey, this man is certified. They just announced he's reclassing to the class of 2024. So we're going to actually react to his highlights and see what he's really like. You feel me? Let's go. Oh, shit.
Flagg. Flagg! Flagg with the blow by here on Boozer and
strokes it from the outside. Watch out for Cooper Flagg right here.
He's against the length.
Flagg goes to town. Nearly gets it.
Flagg underneath. Oh, my. Oh, the lob.
Blocker, the spin. Rejected.
Boozer hesitation blocked by Flagg. Two on the timer, fading away. Oh, that's a big bucket. See, Iowa and Indiana, another top 5 matchup last night as
I'm not going to hold you, bro. He's tough. Hey. I'm not going to hold you. He's tough. Now, they said he was number 2 in the recruiting class. If they put him now in their 2024, I'll put him at number 1. Because he's official.
Instead, Flagg for 3. Yes!
Flagg, step back 3.
Got it.
Yo, what can he do? Bro, what can he do? If you could tell me one flaw about him, tell me right now in the comments. As of right now, I haven't seen no flaws. And granted, yes, it's a highlight tape. But yo, bro, this dude is certified. He can score on all 3 levels. Come on.
Here he goes. 1-on-2. Spins through the lane. Splits the double
Easy.
team. Cooper. Now he pushes the break. Oh, the Euro. Oh, Cooper Flagg.
Yo.
Now to get the Flagg. Johnson, pump fake. Cooper Flagg finally getting that one to go. Air ball pass. Could have been an assist.
Yeah.
Cooper corrals it. Now this game's starting to get out of hand. Flagg. Sheep Wayne. Telling Brady.
Look up. Showtime.
Flagg on the recovery.
Showtime.
Flagg. The recovery. The defensive end.
Here come the Florida Eagles. Cooper Flagg all the way. Scores off the glass. Here comes Gibbons of the Florida Cooper Flagg. In the lane, scores it to Florida Eagles. Here's Evans.
Momentum starting to shift a little bit.
And Flagg. Johnson on the baseline. Hangs in the air. Finds Flagg. Hits a 3.
Cooper Flagg.
And one.
You gotta go to Sports Center next. Send him the QR code. Cooper Flagg. 5 seconds to go in regulation. Now he's got the basketball, working on B.J. Miller. Flagg. Flagg. The shot. He's headed to play in Kansas for Bill Self.
Good wraparound pass and it's swatted. This has been knocked out of the national tournament by Montford. Last year in the quarterfinals, 2 years ago in the semis. That is a tough shot from Flagg on the bounce.
Extremely well. You get extra possessions.
6-time national champions. Each
Tough.
left. Queen right underneath, and there's Flagg getting more involved offensively. From Garrett, that's an open look for Roberts. He's off offensive, gets his own miss. Flagg back to McNeely. The reverse in the first 2. Tapped away. Flagg's running the break.
Pass it back.
Johnson
Showtime.
back to Flagg on the lob.
Showtime.
Spins. Kicks to Flagg. Rises from the elbow and connects.
Number 1 and number 2 in the state of Florida.
Taking it right to the rack.
That's Arizona Compass Prep wanted it more than we did. We didn't have the fight. We got to come out with the fight against IMG.
Taking it right to the rack.
And IMG strokes it from the outside. Watch out for Cooper Flagg right
Hey.
here.
Long rebound comes out. Flagg takes care of it. Mid-range jumper.
Throws the shot.
Now Chris Johnson controls. Look at the passing. Unselfish PM game. And it was not a mandatory thing for students to attend, but they have come out.
50-50 ball. Liam McNeely gets it.
Flagg underneath. Oh, my.
Yes, they're big, but they're cleaning it with their will.
Final seconds here, third quarter. The block party is on. Run for IMG, trying to add to it. Kane in the lane. Another piece. Lots of runouts. There could be another one.
Yo. Nah, Cooper's tough, bro.
An easy flush. Good rebound by Flagg.
Whoa, watch it. Watch it. Don't reach.
Risen his stock here in these last 2 days just based on how he's played. Find open passing lanes against the length. Flagg goes to town. Cooper Flagg quiet tonight until now. Also be able to put it on the deck there and show a little spin move. In the hike here. Cooper Flagg now eyeing one. Couple dribbles, no problem. As well. Up ahead in transition to Flagg and the scoop. First the lead. And sets Cooper Flagg taking a triple on the other end, and he cashes 40 feet from the bucket.
Ooh, in and out cross. Pull up. I like that.
Flagg working ahead. Nice touch. Doesn't go. Cooper Flagg on the way back. The jumper falls.
Now the inbound is to Cooper Flagg. And he drive. It's looking for Evans down low. It's to Gibbs Lawhorn. Cooper Flagg is open down low. Hansberry with it in the front court. He's driving the shots blocked by Cooper. Rebound taken by the Eagles. Kwame Evans up ahead. Cooper Flagg will finish it, and we have a tie.
All over. Derek's clean energy is contagious on both ends of the floor tonight.
Yeah, that's great, Raphael. Thank you, because they only had one.
He has a chance to be all SEC for South Carolina in time.
This guy can be all.
There's multiple teams that can win the NIBC this year. Sunrise, IMG, certainly Arizona Compass. And there's
Flagg. Two on the timer, fading away. Oh, that's a big bucket.
Oh, yeah, that's a big-time bucket. In OT? Come on, bro.
And there's
Flagg. Two on the timer, fading away. Oh.
Hey, I'm stamping Cooper Flagg, bro. Like, he's official. Now, is he going to be, like, the next big thing? We don't know. You feel me? But as of right now, I'm going to just stamp him right now. I feel like he's the best player in the country. Hands down. Give me that.
That's Liam McNeely. Cooper Flagg buries the defense for the floater in the lane. And in order to keep this game in reach, they're going to keep having to allow their... Cooper Flagg had the pump fake. Ball was going inside out, hitting multiple sides, just not able to knock it down. You got to credit the defense, though, Montverde. Oh, the
Hey!
How about the throw? Caleb Glenn unable to get to that. Not a great pass. Look at that pass. How you pass.
And then another thing, too, he's very unselfish. I feel like that's very underrated in his game. Because we know he can score, but he can pass, too.
The basketball with the buckets. He can knock it down from the three-point line. He's going to be an exceptional player in the Big Ten. Flagg on the inbounds. For other games, yours truly, he and I always calling some good Big South
Another one.
games.
That's a great pass.
11 player in the ESPN 100. And it's a
Early.
Nice. Off the tip. And Sean Stewart grips it. Ahead to Flagg. Gotta love the pace of this. Flagg into the lane. Rattles in a tough jumper.
Oh, this year's fun.
Did you see Iowa and Indiana? Another top 5 matchup last night. As decision every time.
He just makes the game easier for himself. He doesn't overdo it, doesn't over-dribble, takes good shots, finds his teammates.
5 to shoot. Rhodes.
Hey, meet me at the rim.
Meet me up.
they utilized their size in the paint and at the rim.
Here's Flagg for 3, and Montverde is on the board.
Inside, he's got Miro Little on him.
Instead, Flagg for 3. Yes, and we're tied.
Turnover game has been pretty good.
Walker the spin. Rejected.
Whoa. Hey, on the AAU circuit, I heard he went crazy. This man was official on the circuit. So now we get a chance to see the highlights. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, watch it. Down. I told you he could pass. Another one, great pass. Yeah, shit. Now, how many blocks does he have, bro? In this game alone, how many blocks? Probably got like 5 blocks. Yo, he's sending shit. Yo, the vision. Another one. Good shot. Tough bucket. With the left. Woo! Woo! Smooth. Time. This shit's easy. Hey. Great pass. Oh, hey yo, y'all gotta give him that. Yo, this is tough. Come on, we gotta run that back. Hey, yo, bro.